Hello there. Welcome to lesson 16 of Unit 2. This is a little bit different lesson. I want to make sure that everybody is aware of that. There's a video that is called The Internet, How Searches Work that will be in the it'll be in the comment section of this video. And there are count them, two different activity guides that go for this. We got one, we have internet scavenger hunt, and two, we have activity guide 216, links and research. So let's head back there. Question of the day: how do we find relevant and trustworthy information on the internet? This lesson covers how to find relevant and trustworthy information online. After viewing and discussing a video about how search engines work, students search for information relevant to their sites, then analyze the sites for credibility to decide which are appropriate to use on their own. So make sure that you watch the video in the comments, the internet, how searches work. That way you'll have an idea of what the rest of this activity is like. So relevant, closely connected to a topic. That's what relevant means. Search engine is a program that searches for items on the World Wide Web. Trustworthy is reliable, honest, and truthful. Are you reliable, honest, and truthful? If so, you are trustworthy. So let's start with links and research activity guide. Links and research. So with this, you're going to be starting with what your team's topic is. So remember, you and your team are making a website, and you're going to make it about something, and you're going to start finding information about this. So what's your team's topic? If it's soda or Coca-Cola or cereal or chicken, maybe it's top ramen. Let's just use ramen. Ramen. Hey, that's our topic. Brainstorm 3 questions you have that you would like to research on the web about ramen. We're talking about ramen. So one might be, when was ramen invented? Another one might be, why does ramen taste so good? So when was ramen invented? Why does ramen taste so good? Mark. And another question might be, how many types of ramen are there? Okay. So now we use these questions, use your search skills to find sites to use for information or links on your new website. So what you're going to do is you're going to try and find answers to these 3 questions. Whatever questions, you don't look for ramen unless that's truly your topic, but you're going to try and answer these 3 questions. You're going to give a URL description. So use your search skills to find sites to use for information or links to your new website, to your website. So, for instance, you're going to do a search. Why ramen is bad for you. Why does ramen taste so good? Somebody's obviously searched this before. A stylized letter F ramen noodles are deliciously addicting because of kansui. Kansui is mineral water with sodium carbonate, phosphoric acid. Kansui's interaction with wheat flour while cooking is what gives ramen noodles their taste, texture, and color. Well, that sounds interesting. So that might be one. Insider.com. Now, how do we know that's a good source? Well, there's a lot of facts here. Okay. And you can learn more about that. So that's one source. Now, does that mean this is the best source? Not necessarily. There's Sunagu Japan. There is top 5 reasons are tasty, westward.com, HuffPost, what makes instant noodles so good. Well, ramen is a Japanese thing, so sunagujapan.com might be the best one as far as I'm concerned because it's from Japan, and or at least it is. Ramen is from Japan, and at least this references Japan, and it doesn't just show top ramen. So you can learn more about that. So then what I would do is I would copy, highlight, press Control and C, and then go back to this activity guide right here. URL description, press V, that. Why do we think it's trustworthy? All right. Is it low, medium, high? Well, let's check. Sunagu. I'm going to go to Sunagu, Japan. Why? Okay. So this homepage is okay. So this is about Japan, and this is actually seems like a news website. So I would say we need to cross-reference it with another one, but it looks okay. And it looks like easy reading too. So, and we can choose. Oh, yeah. So this is. I'm going to go with this is a good website, a trustworthy one, because it talks about Japan. You can find Japanese characters, or you can use Japanese characters. So we're going to go with high because it's a Japanese website. And I'm going to highlight that. How about we color it text color yellow? Why? Why? Because even though this is a .com site, it is centered around Japan, and that is where ramen is from. Okay, you need to give clear reasons why this is a high, medium, or low trustworthiness website. And then it goes, you get to do that 3 more times. And remember, the object is you can is to answer these questions. You can get information and or make links using these. So you're going to want to make sure that you have good information. Otherwise, your website will not be linked to the right place. And as you might know from the video, the better your links are, the more likely yours is to turn up in a search engine. But watch the video to find out why. So find 4 solid sources, and then from there, there's an internet scavenger hunt where you can find, you look for things and put down the website. You work with your partner or your group to locate as many of the following as you can in the time provided by your teacher. You're allowed to use any search tools, but be careful to find trustworthy sources. And then for each answer, record the search tool you use to find it. So walk from here to the state capital. How long would it take? And then what is the source? Okay. What source did you use? So if it's how long would it take? If it's 23 hours, then you need to put in Google directions or maps. That's your source. All right. So don't forget to watch that video. I'll make sure that that's in the chat or the comments. And it's called The Internet, How Searches Work. So that's lesson 16 of unit 2, Internet Scavenger Hunt and links and research. Try and find the higher types of trustworthiness, or higher trustworthiness, so people who come to your site can count on the information you provide. Enjoy, take care everyone, and we'll see you later.